Right, hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a regular viewer. So, today we're going to be reviewing the JBL Flip Bluetooth portable speaker. So I'm going to kick this off by talking about its design and features. So, if you look at it, it's sort of a cylindrical design speaker. It's really nice looking actually, it's got a really nice metal protective grille to protect the twin 40mm drivers. You can see at one of the sides it's got your volume control, your power, and the ability to use this as a loud speaker to take phone calls on. Don't know why you'd need that, but it is a feature that JBL have included. And then we spin it round, and here we have the power and the ability to use this for non-Bluetooth speakers as well. As you can see around the back, around all the sides, it has this sort of silver trim, which separates the grille from the rest of the speaker, which is quite nice. And also, the speaker goes two ways, so you can have it like that, positioned, or you can have it positioned like that. So it's firing upwards instead of straight forward, which is again another handy feature to have. Like I said, really well made actually, this speaker. You can see obviously it's got the protective metal grille around the majority of the speaker, and that's just going to protect it from any drops and knocks that you may have whilst taking this speaker out and about, because that's what it's designed for. It's designed to be taken out with you. And like I say, obviously you need mains to charge it, but you do get approximately 8 hours battery life out of this. Now I have tested this, and the claims are actually nearly dead on. I mean, I got around 7 and a bit hours at around nearly full volume out of this, which I was really impressed with. Right, so as you're well aware by now, this is a Bluetooth speaker. So what I'm going to do is just show you how simple it is to pair to a phone. So what I'm going to do is I've got my Nexus 5 here, so I'm just going to pair this up with the JBL. So what you want to do is turn on the speaker, turn on your Bluetooth, hold the power button down for a few seconds, and you'll hear that beep. Search for devices, and you can see the JBL Flip has now appeared. So let's just wait for it to pair, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Right, so you've just heard the JBL playing, and it's actually a really nice sounding speaker. It's surprisingly good actually for a speaker this small. It's got quite a nice low end, like I said, for a speaker of this sort of form factor. It's really portable, really lightweight, and I was really surprised actually when I first heard this. I was like, wow, I mean, I can't believe the sound is actually coming from this little speaker. The rest of the sound field is really good. The highs really nicely produced, again for something so small, as well as the mids as well. Really nice. Just I'm actually just simply amazed at how good this little thing sounds. So just show you around it a bit more, but these little drivers right here are really good. Really impressed. And not only that, it does sound good on that sort of music, but also on other types of music as well. So no matter what you like listening to, this speaker will sound really good on it. Right, so now to sum this speaker up. I managed to get hold of one of these when they were well, not first out, but when there was around £100. and it was a really good price then for that speaker. Now it's £50. It's a bargain for what you're actually getting. What you're getting a Bluetooth speaker that sounds incredible, that looks really good, that's really lightweight, really well made, and well, just sounds phenomenal for what it actually is. It's definitely a speaker designed for on the go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just waiting on some stuff to arrive from Amazon so I can do some outdoor sound tests as well, to give you an idea of what this actually sounds like outside. So hopefully that will be arriving in the next few days, so I'll be able to upload another sound test of this outside as well, so you can get a really good idea of what it sounds like when you're out and about. Right, so if you want to see that, obviously I'll post a link on Google Plus and on Twitter as well to let you know when it's actually coming. So that just about wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.